No, the car we can drive without the Bluetooth.
I'm not going anywhere without the Bluetooth.
I can sing for you. When I'm driving, I can sing for you. I can sing.
Samani.
What is it?
Mimi ni makanika. Nini ni mbaya?
Just speak in English because we don't understand what you're
what
saying.
is bad?
The Bluetooth is no working.
Oh, the Bluetooth, that's my work. Kumbe ni kitu kidogo. Lakini hawa lazima niwagonge, acha nagonge. No way. How did even the car drive up to here? If it has been driven, then it's God. It is a disaster. The car is so. Let me call my fellow comrades from the department. No, put on toolbox. Oh my God.
What is happening?
We have to call the department so that they can come with the. Yes. What are you doing? Bana. Inakuaje bana?
Unaniambia bebe toolbox nzima kwani
tunaenda train. Fala bro. Hawa say hawajui Kiswahili sasa. Nataka tu watoke do. Ni wazungu wako kuna do bro. Hapa hivi lazima tutoke block sasa.
Tumeangukia basi.
Bluetooth ndio shida. Bluetooth. So acha nikwambie alafu overreact. Yes, so he is my colleague. It is the Bluetooth which is not working.
Oh my that is bad.
Yeah. That is how bad it is. Can you look at it?
Bluetooth?
Yes.
That is bad.
I think we need to call a down break.
You mean breakdown?
A breakdown, yes. Madam, it's so bad, but we can help you where we can.
We will do what is necessary.
You know, the problem is not the Bluetooth. The problem has started from the tire. So the tire must be removed and the bonnet must be checked.
All the way to the carburetor where we have to check the belt.
No. The carbonet, the carbohydrate is not working. Hence, the vitamins are not coming to the Bluetooth. Hence working zero.
True.
You get it?
True. And then we feel you start. Let me start with the bonnet. You start with the.
Achani. Let me remove the tire, but the other one.
Okay.
Madam, I tell you this work is so hectic.
It has been stubborn.
Oh, let me calculate the whole amount. So my friend here came with his own fare, so he must be paid fairly. Alafu we have opened the tire, I've removed the tire, then the bonnet, plus I've added some proteins to the tire. So
Okay, the total amount is?
the total amount is 150,000. 100,000 ndio labda ni yangu mpo hii.
Oh, sorry, that was without labor.
Yeah, with
Plus
labor
is 150,000.
Acha
Bila tax.
Sasa tuko bafu kuna majamaa wanatuosha. Acha watukamue washatupaka sabuni.
Umesema ni how much?
Wamesema ni ngapi? Unasema ni ngapi?
Kwa unaongea Kiswahili bro?
150 iko na K.
Si hata basi nitolee do juu nimewast time hapa.
Songeni.
Kitu nitakupea ni rungu.
Rungu. Bro, huyu jamaa amenishtua sana bana. Ananiambia nataka kunipatia rungu na ni mwanaume.
Wewe stories zako sitaki tena.